Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we thought that we would recreate one of our favorite Disney treats. So we found a copycat recipe of the famous Disneyland Churro Toffee. One of our favorites. This is our attempt of making it. Go ahead and follow us along. But before you do,
don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's taste this sucker. Yep.
that's Churro Toffee.
That's what that tastes like.
That's Churro Toffee.
All right, we did good. So Churro Toffee was a success. It was easy to make, very simple, very tasty, very good.
If you enjoyed this video, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what you would like for us to make next.